Raised that question. That's a good question. That was also raised before the court. The court said that it has not interfered with anything. It just consolidated the files and transferred them to Kisumu. In short, it did not pronounce itself in regards to the orders, meaning the orders are actually the petition that had orders is petition E0011 on the status quo. So the same has been transferred as it is to the court in Kisumu.
Now, this afternoon, the Nyamira High Court has given 2 rulings, which my colleague has said talked about. But I want to add that we are very grateful to the High Court, to the judge, to the judiciary for giving us justice, the County Assembly justice. We had our members who were cited for contempt. We've successfully purged the contempt, and the court has pardoned all the contemners, and we are very, very grateful to the court. And you know, now with the orders that have been given by the court, we would want to have sanity in Nyamira County. We would want all parties, all leaders to come together so that we can have a long-lasting solution to the problems bedeviling our county. I want to assure the electorate that the issues we have are not for our own benefit, but we are fighting for their rights. We want development to go to the ground. We want every part of this county to feel the full the benefits of devolution, which has not been realized in Nyamira County for a very long time. So whatever we are doing, we are not doing for selfish interests, but we would want all the leaders, right from top to the bottom, to come together. We come together, we sit and look for amicable solutions to the problem bedeviling our county. I was specifically appealing to the governor, who is the father of this county, to show leadership to all of us. Call for a ceasefire, call for a meeting, genuine meetings, so that we can generate solutions to our problems. We are grateful to the court again, and we as an advocate of the High Court, I promise that I'll keep talking to my colleagues, that we can always observe the court orders as we promise the court. Thank you so much.
From the Fourth Estate and the members of the public that yesterday we had a very bad incident where our acting speaker, Honorable Thaddeus Nyambaro, was involved in an accident. Currently is being hospitalized in our teaching and referral hospital here in Nyamira. He is safe and in a very good condition. On today's court ruling, I want to thank God and the judge of the day that my 8 members who were in contempt of court were pardoned. 2, the court itself pronounced that it does not have jurisdiction to hear the matters of employment in nature. On that strength, I want to request my fellow leaders, starting with the governor of our county, that he should recognize the current established leadership from the acting speaker and to the rest, so that our county can move forward very fast. 2, the assembly is facing challenges because of the court cases that we have been having. There has been challenges in funding the assembly. Our employees have not been paid salary because of the court cases. Our employees are not able to come to work because they do not have what we call O&M that facilitates them to come to work. I want to request Governor Nyaribo to release those funds so that you can be able to do what we are supposed to do. More important, we do not have medical cover because of a request that is still at the table of the executive because of these court cases. I'm now requesting His Excellency the Governor to release those funds so that we can cover our staff. To my fellow leaders, the members of the County Assembly, those who are still following the impeached Speaker, I want to request them to come back to work. We as 34 members, we need one another. let them come back and we work as a team. Thank you very much.
My name is Wakili Mheshimiwa Michelle Peluma, and I am very much privileged to appear before all of you today. Today we had a matter before our Honorable Judge, Justice Okwany. We were handling two matters. One was petition E008 of 2024, where the judge had asked the 8 contemnors who were honorable members of this Nyamira County Assembly to appear before her to show cause as to why they should not be committed to civil jail for disobeying court orders. The 8 honorable members appeared before the judge. They honored the summons, and the court keenly listened to all the parties, counsel representing the petitioner, the counsel also who are on record on behalf of the respondents, the contemnors, the 8 of them, and even the honorable members themselves mitigated on their behalf. They profusely apologized to the honorable court for what had transpired. And this afternoon, the Honorable Court was gracious enough and kind enough to forgive them, and gave them a stern warning never to repeat the same mistake, which the Honorable members gave an undertaking that they'll never do it. And I believe this is a good roadmap that the court has shown us, so that we don't keep on hearing on the ongoing wrangles in our county. I believe it will bring some sanity to our county, and we will at least soldier on and make our great county work for our people who elected us and for some of us who are limited. Thank you. We also had a second petition, that is E011 of 2024. Actually, the two of them, there was a preliminary objection that had been filed by both counsels representing the respondents, both in petition E001 and in petition E0011. So in both of them, the court also rendered its ruling in regards to the jurisdiction, and the court said it doesn't have jurisdiction, and for that reason, the court downed its tools and consolidated the two matters and transferred them to the proper forum, that is before the Employment and Labor Relations Court in Kisumu. The matter will be mentioned on 16th of January 2024 for further directions before 2025, for further directions for the judge in Kisumu.
What almost speak out of welfare,